Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a stop loss order on Kraken in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So you can log into your Kraken account on Kraken's online website using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the trading page by simply clicking on the trade tab. And there you can select the market that you wish to trade, such as Bitcoin to euros or Ethereum US dollars, whatever it is. Just go ahead and select the market, and then you can set up your stop loss order by entering the price at which you want to sell your cryptocurrencies. Once you've entered the price, you can confirm your stop loss order by clicking on the set stop loss button. From there on, you can always monitor your stop loss order by checking your Kraken account balance and transaction histories to see if that has been executed. You can also adjust your stop loss order as needed to help you better optimize your trades. Likewise, you can close your stop loss order by clicking on the close button and withdraw your funds to your bank or to your cryptocurrency wallet. That's pretty much it on how to set up a stop loss order on Kraken in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next